Hello students, today I am very glad to announce that today we have Mr. Amit Kataria, and we are going to launch very soon a new test that is known as LanguaCert. And Mr. Amit, who is the North Head representative of this very test, so he will tell us further details of the same. Mr. Amit.
Thank you so much. So, LanguaCert is a test which has been approved by UK and other countries for your higher studies, for your permanent residency, for dependent visa, spouse visa, for everything. So we have the presence in over 114 countries and with 165 test centers active. And now we are moving ahead in India, and we have opened a couple of test centers, and I'm sure that once we will get the cooperation which I've always got from you, we will go ahead accordingly.
Nice, sir. So I have further question based on this very test. The very first question is, what's the format of this?
Okay, so this is a computer delivered test. So now if you ask me why LanguaCert, my question remains that easy booking. You can book 48 hours prior to the test date. You get a result in 5 business days. You can reschedule your test 3 days prior to your test date. Okay. No charges involved.
Great.
You can cancel your test 14 days prior to the test date. No question asked. And then at the end of the day, the biggest advantage is that the student, the candidate, get the detailed feedback of writing and speaking.
That's very nice.
So this means that you know what has gone right and which part where you need to improvise. So you get everything in this.
That's very good. So generally students are just very concerned that PT comes in couple of hours, IELTS comes in 13 days. So what's the result expectancy of this?
So result comes in 5 business days.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so it's an online whole concept?
So it's a computer delivered test, but the candidate need to go to the test center to take this test, and then get the result in 5 business days.
Wonderful. Okay.
Yeah.
As I'll say, validity is for 2 years, I'll say, and for other language examination, that also deals with the 2 years. So what's the validity of LanguaCert?
So I won't call it a validity, but most of the universities accept it for, within 2 years of taking the test.
Okay, this means it is same as IELTS and other language tests.
Yes.
It's very, very nice. So would you shed some more views into this, that how many countries or all it's a globally recognized or not?
Yes, so LanguaCert is accepted by UK and all other countries. The list is available on our website. You can go to the website, check the universities, and you can go to the university website. There also you will get the LanguaCert as a requirement.
Okay.
So it's widely acceptable, and we are moving ahead with more universities and countries. We are adding the universities on daily basis rather.
That's very nice. Students always go for this, that test clearance can be done. Applying is equally very much easier. But do we get any benefit for the scholarship from the university? It is LanguaCert.
Yes, so now we have come up with a scholarship of $4,000.
Great.
Yes, so that is for 5 students, and it is exclusively for India.
Okay.
Not for any other student, exclusively for the Indian student. That if you take the test, you fill the scholarship form, you may be one of the lucky person who gets the scholarship.
Nice. So that very scholarship will be based on first come first basis, or it's a draw system?
No, it's a draw system, of course.
Okay, that's nice. So their +2 secondary school examination or graduation examination would also be added into this?
Yes.
Okay, so my wonderful as well as exclusive question, it is always with the students. So if I clear LanguaCert today, so what's my future prospects for the immigration?
So we have 2 different tests, one for LanguaCert, though we have a test, the different number of tests, but for the students it is the LanguaCert Academic and LanguaCert General. LanguaCert Academic is for those students who are willing to go abroad for higher studies, and LanguaCert General is for the immigration purpose.
Okay. That sounds good, I'll say. So I think that LanguaCert, we must be welcomed by the students, organizations as well, and the future can be witnessed into this. Thank you, Mr. Amit, for the wonderful information.
Thank you so much for having me.
And this knowledge will be really much helpful for us as well as for the students. So join TEC for LanguaCert and for PT, IELTS and other examination. Thank you so much.
Thank you.